Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options to Google Pixel 9a. For that we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, then you will find here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point about phone. And almost at the end you will find a point named build number, or it is at the end here, the build number. And you have to tap this build number now for 7 times. You can see already a countdown, and then you are a developer for the phone. In case if the phone is asking you for a PIN code, this is nothing else than the phone PIN, so the one to unlock the screen with. Now, in my case, it's 4 times the 1. Please take yours. Tap down here on the arrow, and now we are at latest a developer for the phone. But where to find now the developer options? For that, go back just one step so that you're back at the general settings here. Now you need to go to the point system, and here they are, the developer options. So now you can do the stuff we wanted to do, made to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, and so much more. And yeah, if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here on top like that. The developer options that requires sometimes a restart, but don't worry, nothing will be deleted. And yeah, that's it. Pretty easy. I hope I could help you with this video. And let me tell you, if you want to have the developer options again, then just tap 7 times on the bit number as I've shown you before. Yeah, you can have them always back like that. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something after. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.